at the Uffizi Galleries, Leonardo da Vinci is in the limelight like never before. The Uffizi Galleries have given a masterful makeover to Room 35 of the museum, now dedicating the space to 3 paintings by the ultimate Renaissance man, Leonardo da Vinci. The introduction of this room continues a pattern of renovations and arrangement changes at the world-famous art gallery, with new Michelangelo and Raphael rooms just revealed in June. The 3 featured works are an Annunciation, the Baptism of Christ, and the room's centerpiece, the Adoration of the Magi. All were originally produced for churches, which helped influence the Uffizi's approach to the space. Visitors are encouraged to take their time reverently and to reflect on Leonardo's stylistic evolution.
The new gallery dedicated to Leonardo da Vinci unites the 3 masterworks by the genius that the Uffizi hold. In one room, a spacious room, there can be more than 100 visitors admiring these great masterpieces. Moreover, the work of Leonardo da Vinci has been brought back into its correct historical position. It is at the end of the 15th and the beginning of the 16th centuries. In fact, this new room is a pair to the new room dedicated to Raphael and Michelangelo, where we can see how these other 2 great geniuses reacted to the innovations that Leonardo brought into the history of painting. This is one of the places on Earth with the highest concentration of great masterpieces from the history of art.